Welcome to our educational channel, class 10th ICSE Maths. So we have seen already specimen paper which is given from the board semester 1. Now in this video I want to show the model test papers. So let us see one by one. And before that, if you want to chapter wise MCQs also. So in this mathematics, chapter wise all around 9 to 10 chapters, right, as per the syllabus. So each and every chapter MCQs questions are available in PDF format. You can check the links in description below also and can get it. So let us see the model test papers one by one. So how the problems will be coming and we want to solve one by one. So let's see here. Now as per the pattern, section A, it's a 16 marks, 16 questions, each carries 1 mark. Okay, see the problem. A square matrix of order 2 has, so we know that square matrix is number of rows and number of columns are equal and it's order 2. This is nothing but 2 by 2. So 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, option C. Most of the questions we have the straight way you can keep, only the calculations only we need to solve. And next one, a shopkeeper in Panipat bought goods worth 1,20,000 from Panipat within the same state. If the rate of GST is 12%, then CGST is 12%, then CGST is half of that, so 6%. 6% of the worth is 1,20,000. Directly can take. Okay, 6%. So 6 by 100 into 1 lakh. This 20,000. Do cancelling. Then that is 6 into 1200. Yeah, 6 into 1200 is 7,200. 7,200 is option A. And if triangle DMN is similar to triangle DFE. Third one, if a triangle DMN is similar to triangle DFE. Whenever two triangles are similar, remember corresponding sides are in same ratio. So based on that, we need to take the step. As per the options also we can go through, and before that let us see here, because same concept you can apply other problems. ABC. Okay, sorry, here is LMN. So it's L, M and N. And it's similar to triangle DFE. DFE. Same way you can take L and left side took M, no? So again right side is N. Same DFE, same position. So that means, so here is LM is corresponding sides are in same ratio. So LM by DF, corresponding sides, LM divided by DF is equals to, again LN divided by DE, again MN divided by FE. Corresponding sides are in same ratio. If you observe that LM by DF and is equals to LN. Okay, first two if you do cross multiplication, we are getting option. This into cross LM and DE. LM into DE is equals to, again DF into LN is there. Instead of asking, giving directly corresponding sides in same ratio, even cross way also. So this is exactly matching to this. Other three are not. The ratio 2:5 is same as, okay, if you do cross multiplication, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 is to 5, A it is. And questions you need to solve here. Mrs. Gautam has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3 years at 8% per annum. If she gets 4,440 as interest, then the maturity value is, okay, let us do this fifth one. Let me take this given data. If she get 4,440 as the interest, so this I will show the problem. Actually, we know the formula is maturity value is equals to P into N plus interest, right? We need to find out the maturity value. For that, we need to find out the P also, monthly depositing. Then interest is equals to, as per the formula, P into N plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. You just to apply in this. Interest is given in the question. If she get 4,440 as the interest, so 4,440 is equals to P into n plus 1. N is always, remember, number of months for 3 years. So number of months is 36 into n plus 1, 37, divided by 2 into 1 by 12 into rate of interest is 8 by 100. Okay, this you can calculate. 12 ones are 12, 3. Again 2 ones are 2, 4. 4 ones are 4, 25. Randomly you can correct. Again this 3 table. 1. Cancel here directly. It's 1480. Again 37 times, this is 37 ones are 37, 4, 40. So 40 is equals to P by 25. Then P is equals to 40 into 25. So it is a 1000. Then maturity value formula is P into N plus interest. So maturity value is equals to P into N. 1000 into N is the number of months, 36. And interest is given 4,440. 1000 into 36 is 36,000 plus 4,440. So total 40,440. Yes. And sixth one, 2x minus 1 is greater than or equals to 8. X belongs to integers. 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 8. So 2x is greater than or equals to 9. Minus 1 take right side. X is greater than or equals to 9 divided by 2. So x is greater than or equals to 4 and half. X value greater than 4 and half. Only integers. After 4, 1 by 2, next to 5. 5, 6, continuation. So 5, 6, 7 and so on. So it's a B. Right? And question number 7. The common difference of an AP, arithmetic progression, may be positive, negative, even 0 also. Common difference in arithmetic progression may be positive, negative, 0. So all of this. Because same numbers are given 2, 2, 2, so on. So common difference is 0. It may be equal to positive, negative also, right? And this eighth one, in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, BD is perpendicular to AC, then triangle ABC similar to. This type of draw diagram understand clearly. ABC right angle triangle, right angle is at B. Yes, let us take this. Right angle is at B, ABC. And BD is perpendicular to AC. BD. This is a perpendicular to AC. Then ABC similar. This entire triangle ABC similar to. So in this, as per the letters, you can notice this is triangle ABC similar to. In ABC, AC is hypotenuse. So first letter and third letters are in hypotenuse position. And 90 degrees at the central symbol, right? Same way in BDC, we have the CDB, BCD, BDC and CDB. These four are combination of this single triangle only. Okay, only this is the triangle. This triangle only, but we need to check the letters clearly. So AC is in hypotenuse position. So in BDC, BC is hypotenuse. B and C. And middle letter B is at 90 degrees. So here is a D is at 90 degrees. So triangle. And always ABC is similar to BDC. Okay, is the point. AB and C. C is ending here. Then BDC, BDC is this. Just to check the letters position and you can make it. So this is similar to BDC. 2x minus 8 greater than equal to 4. Then the solution set as 2x minus 8. So from this 2x is greater than or equals to minus 8 take right plus 8. So it's a 12. And from this x is greater than or equal to 6. X is greater than or equal to 6. So 6, 7. That means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 5 elements. So A. And quadratic equation whose solution set 0, 2. 0, 2 means this is not. x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 plus or minus 2. So D. We can take common. If we take x common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0 and x minus 2 0. So 0 comma 2. And 11th one, x is to y is 2 is to 3. Then the value of 2x minus y by 3x plus 2y. Two ways we can solve. Just substitute directly also get in the place of x and y, because we need to find objective type. Now this x value is 2, y value is 3. Same, two letters are there, x and y. Down also is 1 x and y. So directly can apply 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, 3x plus 2y. So 3 2s are 2 3s are 6 plus 6 12. So 1 by 12. Or else divide by y, LHS and numerator and denominator also we can make this. Next one, when f of x is divided by px plus 1, then remainder is, if px plus 1 is remainder is, then minus 1 divided by 3, p. So f of minus 1 by p is a remainder theorem. Okay, just if it is a 2x plus 1, that means minus 1 by 2 f of x. So f of minus 1 by 2 you can take as a remainder. Common difference minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So common difference is 0. Okay, that's why common difference may be 0, positive, negative also. And this quadratic equation 2x square minus root 5x plus 1 has. Which type of roots means we should know the discriminant. Okay, b square minus 4ac. A is the x square coefficient, b is x coefficient, and c is the constant. B square. So minus root 5 whole square minus 4 into a value is 2, c value is 1. This value simplify. Minus root 5 whole square is 5 only, because minus into minus is plus, root 5 square is 5. Minus 4 2 is 8, so it's minus 3. This is less than 0. Okay, if the less than 0 is no real roots. If it is equal to 0, two equal roots. Greater than 0, distinct real roots. Okay, you know that. If two matrices are equal, then then orders and corresponding elements are equal. Their order may be different. It's not. Their product always exists now. So their orders and the corresponding elements also must be equal. Then only two matrices are equal. And when f of x, 16th one, when f of x is x square minus 5x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1, then the remainder x is divided by x plus 1, no? So x is equal to minus 1, you substitute in the question. So f of minus 1 square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 5 plus 1. So 7 it is. This is 7. So section A we have only 16 questions, as per this given rule. 16 questions, each one carries 1 mark, so 16. Section B will do now. In section B, it's 12 marks, 6 questions only. Each question carries 2 marks here. Deepak opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited 1500 per month. So as per the given data, P is equals to 1500 per month for 3 years. So N is equal to 36, because 3 years, no, 3 12, number of months, 36 months. And if you got 6,660 as interest, find the rate of interest. R value you have to find out. So we have checked the formula, that is I is equals to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. To find one of the answer among them, just substitute the values here. Rate of interest, we have to find out. Interest is given. Interest is 6,660 and P value is 1500, n into n plus 1, 36 into 37 divided by 2, 1 by 12 and R by 100. R value you have to find out. Mostly calculation simple, we can make it. 1's 15 and 12 ones are 12 3's are. Make the calculations fast and you can get the answer also fast, because don't make mistakes in that. And 15 into 3 into 37 divided by 2. Randomly also you can do cancelling. That is 3 table directly here. 2 2 2 0. Again 15 into, so finally R is equals to 2220. 2 is dividing, no, it will be multiply. Take this side and divide by 15 into 37. So we can cancel this 5 table. 5 3s are 15, again 5, 4s are 20, 4s are 20, again 4. 37 times, okay, this is again 3 table. Previously we did calculations, no, right? 3 ones are 3, again 1, 4, 4s are 12, 8. Again this 37, ones are 37, 4 times. So 4 into 2 is 8. So 8%. Among this, one of the answer is 8. Next one, x plus 2 is a factor of x square minus x plus m. Then the value of m. X plus 2 is a factor. So x is equals to minus 2 is substituting this directly. X is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 square minus again minus 2 plus m. That is equal to 0 because x plus 2 is a factor. Minus 2 whole square. So 4 minus 2 minus plus 2 plus m is equal to 0. Then m is equal to 4 2 is 6. Take 3 side minus 6. So minus 6 it is. This one, a shopkeeper bought a refrigerator for 25,400 from a dealer. He sold to the consumer at the profit of 4,200. The GST is 28% in the GST is 28%. Then the tax liability of the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper tax liability asked. So no need of how much he purchased, how much he bought or given. Just only what is the profit he got. He sold to the consumer at the profit of 4,200. So directly you can make 28% of this profit. So 4,200. That is 28 by 100 into 4,200. Yes, you can cancel 28 into 42. 1,176. So only tax liability is asked of the shopkeeper. So directly you can find the GST on the profit. Okay. Next one. 2x minus 5 is less than or equal to 5x plus 4. X belongs to integer. Solution set we outright. If you take one terms 2x minus 5x less than or equals to 4 plus 5. Take x terms one side, numbers one side. Minus 3x is less than or equals to 9. Then that means from this. Okay, let me take down. Minus 3x is less than or equal to 9. Then plus 3x is greater than or equal to minus 9. Okay, it's a rule. Multiplying with minus sign both the sides. Minus 1. 3 ones are 3. So x is greater than or equal to minus 3. X is greater than or equal to minus 3 and x belongs to integers. Okay, option D. Two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 7. If its consequent is 182, antecedent is the first value. First is 2. That means 2 by 7 is equals to x by 182. Consequent is 182. Antecedent you have to find out. Make it calculation simple. Do cross multiplication. Then x is equals to, from this cross multiplication you can do 2 into 182 by 7. So 7 table. 2 is a 14, 6. So 52. 2 into 26. Okay. And 22nd, 2 minus 5 minus 1, 4 matrix 1 0 0 1. So node of multiplying, if any matrix is multiplied with identity matrix, we'll get the same matrix. No, that rule will apply. That's it. 2 minus 5 minus 1 4. So if it is a problem, you need to solve and show, but is a directly options. No, if any matrix is multiplied with identity matrix, we'll get the same matrix. Okay, this is the section B for 12 marks. 6 questions. Every question is carry for 2. Section B, let us see now. In section C, we have 3 questions, 23, 24, 25, and every question we have the sub 4 questions. So based on the single statement only, these 4 questions also depend. So some they'll be mixed up. Okay. So 3 into 4, 12 marks it is. Let us see this first one. The quadratic equation mx square minus 2 root 5 mx plus 15 is equal to 0 has 2 equal roots. They mentioned roots are equal. Then discriminant is equal to 0. Okay, then find the value of m. So discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. As per the rule, a is the x square coefficient m, and b is the x coefficient and c is the constant. So b square minus 2 root 5 m is completely x coefficient square minus 4 into a is x square coefficient m and c is 15, that is equal to 0. If you solve, you'll get it, because general form of quadratic equation is, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? So x square coefficient is a, x coefficient is b, and constant is c. We'll apply this. So this is 4 square is for everything, minus square is plus, 2 square is 4, root 5 square is 5, 4 5 is up. So 20m square minus 60m is equal to 0. Then 20m square is equals to 60m, 1m cancel, 20 ones are 23, then m is equals to 3, m value, just cancel it. And the roots of the equation are, roots of the equation, if it's equal roots, then d is equal to 0. If discriminant is 0, then according to rule, minus b by 2a are the equal roots now, that x is equals to minus b by 2a, because as per the formula, minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac, right? So if it is 0 means, if it is equal roots, directly roots is equal to minus b by 2a, both are equal. Minus b minus, and b value is minus 2 root 5 m divided by 2 into a is again m. So just cancel, minus to minus plus 2 root 5 m by 2m, just cancel this. Then root 5, roots are equal, one root is root 5 means one more root also root 5, root 5 comma root 5. The discriminant of the quadratic equation is 0 because equal roots, so discriminant, that is d, is equal to 0. For real roots of the quadratic equation, the discriminant should be based on this, so less than 0, greater than 0, equal to 0. For real roots of the quadratic equation, if it is real roots, it should not be less than 0. It may be greater than 0 and equal to 0. So B and C. That means option D, both. If it is the roots are real roots, then discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than 0 and equal. Less means the roots are imaginary. So not real roots. Right? This is the 4 questions. And 24th is about the progressions. Given AP 9, 13, 17, 21, so on, 97. First question is the common difference. Common difference is any number, any term minus previous term. 13 minus 9. It's a 4. Direct problem. 15th term of AP. 15th term. The general term is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 15th term, a15, a plus, so 9 plus n minus 1, 14 minus 1, difference is 4. So 9 plus 14 minus 1 is 13. So 13 into 4 plus 9. So it's a 65. So just only the particular term find out. The number of terms in AP, number of terms is n value you have to find out. So same formula. So using this n value. So an, the last term is 97, is equals to a plus n, we should find out n minus 1, difference is 4. We'll apply this. 9 take left side, it's 88, is equals to n minus 1 into 4. 4 ones are 4, 22. Then n is equals to 23. 22 plus 1. So number of terms are 23. Right? And 10th term of AP from the end. So if you see the question, anything from the end, we have the formula is L minus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find out the particular term from the end. So 10th term. So L is the last number, 97. So you apply directly. 97 minus n minus 1. Which term? 10th term we have to find out. 10 minus 1. Into difference is same, 4. So remember this. This is the formula to find out the particular term from the end. 97 minus 10 minus 1. 9 into 4. 36. 97 minus 36. It's a 61. Yes. Yeah. Option B. Right. And this last question in this, in the given figure, angle ABC is equals to BDC is equal to 90 degrees. Is given diagram. BD is 8, AD is 4. As per the problem, ABD is similar to ABD. If you observe in ABD, AB is the hypotenuse, angle D is 90 degrees. Same thing, BCD. All are about BCD only. BCD or CBD, completely this triangle, but we know the position. So observe here, ABD is triangle similar to. So AB is the hypotenuse. So in this BDC triangle, BC is hypotenuse. So BC must. And is ABD, angle D is 90 degrees. In BCD, D must be 90 degrees. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle BCD. See the position and mark it. Triangles are similar. And length of CD. Whenever two triangles are similar, we know corresponding sides are in same ratio. That so ABD is similar to BCD, right? So then AB by, in these first two letters, BC should be equals to BD by CD. See the position, first two letters divided by your first two letters. BD by CD is equal to first and last. AD by BD. You apply this and can find the value. We need to find out the CD, which is given in this question. So AB is not given, don't take, and BC is not given. From these both we can take. BD, so that is 8 divided by CD. We have to find out. And next AD is 4. Again BD is 8. Then 4 ones are 4, 2. So CD is equals to 16 to cross multiplication. Okay, 16 centimeters. Right? And one more. CBD similar to. Observe this. CBD is similar to ACB, ABC. All are about entire triangle. So this in CBD, just write here. CBD. This triangle is similar to. In this CBD, CB is hypotenuse. So we need to take C is the common angle for both, for CBD and CBA. But in this CB is hypotenuse for this small triangle and should be CA. We should start. It must be triangle with CA. CA means next one more letter is B. So CBD is similar to CAB. That is CAB. D. See the position only. Just this is the triangle is similar to entire big triangle ABC, but position. So CB. C is the start common, no? Again start, you also must start with the C only, but go to hypotenuse because CB is hypotenuse. So CA is also hypotenuse. CAB. Same, all are same letters. Three letters only, but CAB is an exact triangle similar to this. Next one, BA square is equals to. So here is BA square. So BA must be 2 times. So BA is in BAC triangle, BA is in BDA triangle. So we know that this is right. This triangle ABC similar to triangle ABC is a bigger triangle similar to this this triangle we should take. These two triangles are similar, but writing the position is triangle ADB because ABC AC is the hypotenuse. So first and third letter in ADB, AB is the hypotenuse. First and third letters, and B is at 90 degrees, and middle D is also at 90 degrees. And it's from AB to C, and this is the same. Starting letter is same again, matching. Which angle is same? That should make it as match. We know that when any two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in same ratio. So how to write? AB, first two letters, divide by, in this first two is AD, and next two letters BC from first triangle. Last two letters is DB, and first and third letter, that is AC, divided by AB. According to given this data only, you can make this corresponding sets are in same ratio. So AB or BA both are same, no? So AB is here and AB is in this. First and last you take together. Then you can write together and do cross multiplication. AB by AD is equals to AC by AB. Do cross multiply AB into AB. AB square is equals to same AC into AD. AB or BA both are same because they give BA square, no? So AB whole square or BA square. Distance from A to B or B to A same. A to C or C to A or A to D or D to A, it is same. So CA into DA. This is one. Right? Just you can go through the particular triangle, which two triangles are similar. Based on that, you can do it. Okay, so this is the paper, model test paper. And next we'll see one more paper, and this not only these papers and chapter wise. So all the 10 chapters, chapter wise, if you want the MCQs, every chapter around 50 to 60, including complete covering all the syllabus. The links I'm providing in description below, just to go through and find out it and just learn.